Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Grove collaborative haul. First of all, I got this last night, so this has not been opened at all yet. So it really took me some self-control not to open it last night. I wanted to wait until today until I had natural light so that I could record and so I could actually put on makeup. So I also wanted to mention that my husband just went to the dollar store, Dollar General, not Dollar Tree. So yeah, and he just got me this. I thought it was so cute. I'm gonna put it in my kitchen. It was $6. He was sweet and he picked it up for me. I thought that was so sweet. I love the color. I think I might put my wooden kitchen utensils in it, but I just thought it was really sweet and really pretty. So, okay, so I got my scissors. I'm gonna open this. I'm really excited because I have never smelled, I have never used, I've never ordered the Caldrea brand of anything. So I ordered something, I ordered one of the Caldrea scented things. What am I trying to say? I ordered one of the Caldrea items, products, whatever. I ordered some stuff that I've already used before. I actually haven't ordered from Grove Collaborative in like 9 or 10 months. It's been a really long time. So here's the packaging slip. All the plastic fun stuff. Here's this that I see on everybody's channel. I'm really excited because I already had one of these, but it was a really long time ago, like I said, and it didn't come with one of these little rubber sleeves. So I'm really excited about that. I'm still not sure what I'm gonna put in it, but I'm excited. So I got that. And then I have used the rosemary scented dish soap before, I think. I'm gonna move closer. I've used the rosemary dish soap before, but this is the hand soap. I'm gonna smell of it. It's been a while since I've smelled. It smells just like rosemary. It really does. And I ordered me some chapstick because I never have chapstick. I always just use coconut oil, which this is coconut. I mean, it's made with coconut, so it does have coconut oil in it. I'm gonna smell it. Oh, goodness. That is coconut. I'm gonna put some on. I had on some lipstick, but it's practically gone now, so. It smells like suntan lotion, just like I like. So there's that. And this I've already used before. I use this all the time. I order the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day in basil scent and in the lavender. But these are the automatic dish packs. There are 20, I believe. Yes, 20 in each bag. And so I'm really glad they came because I only have 3 left. I'm saving the Caldrea for last. This is the next to last. I wanted to try these Burt's Bees facial cleansing towelettes with pink grapefruit seed oil. It's for normal to oily skin. That's definitely me. I want to make sure I tear it in the right spot. So I might actually make a video of me using these. Ah, it smells so good. I love anything grapefruit. It smells so good. Okay, I'm not going to use it right now because I don't want to wipe off my makeup. But I like the way that it's packaged. It's a very soft packaging. And this one did seem to have more natural ingredients in it. I looked and it did say natural fragrance. I remember seeing that because some of them weren't as natural. If you look at Burt's Bees packaging, they will say what percentage of natural they are. So this one says 99.1% natural. Some of their items will say like 97, 98, and I like for it to be as close to natural as possible. Okay, so now here's the moment we've all been waiting for. I've never smelled a Caldrea item ever. Everyone talks about them. I'm so excited. Okay, this is the Caldrea, or Caldrea, however you pronounce it. I don't know. Pear Blossom Agave dish soap. I feel like I need some music going on right now. Dun, dun, dun. This smells familiar. Huh. Okay. It smells like honeysuckles. It doesn't smell like pear. Something about it smells like honeysuckles to me. It doesn't smell like the Mrs. Meyer's honeysuckle, but it does smell like honey. It just smells like real honeysuckles to me. I don't know why. Maybe that's what Pear Blossom Agave smells like. I don't know. I really do like it though. I can't wait to use it. It's gonna like, boing. It's I can't even talk. I'm so excited. It's going to excite my kitchen. I just know it. So that's all. I got this, and the Mrs. Meyer's, and the chapstick. The Yes To is the brand. Coconut Naturally Smooth Lip Balm, 99% natural product. So I didn't mention that, but it's the Yes To brand in case you weren't able to read it. And that's all. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm gonna go put this stuff up where it goes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you join me here on my YouTube channel. This is mostly a cleaning channel, hence the, cleaning products. You'll see me using these if you watch any of my other videos. And all right, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.